How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey, Joanna.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, A Diamond a Trip. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have another transformation video for you. I'll be redoing this bathroom. I'll be taking it from a broke college student type of vibe to an actual livable, airy kind of space. So right in front of me I have the items that I'll be using for this transformation. So let's just get right in. For any bathroom, so basically the bathroom that you're seeing right here, I mean, it just looks like a regular bathroom. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove all those things from out of the bathroom, empty the bathroom, and just start with a blank canvas. And one of the things that I noticed about this bathroom is that it's pretty white white on white on white, and I wanted to add some color to the bathroom. And additionally, the bathroom also has in terms of cupboard space, it doesn't have much storage space, so I wanted to address that for this type of bathroom. So I got this shower curtain from Walmart. Here it is. It has like a turquoise blue color. I wasn't really going for a particular color, but I was like, I saw the turquoise color, it reminded me of the sea, it reminded me of water, so I just felt like it would be nice. I prefer cloth shower curtains to the plastic ones, but I also use a plastic liner, so you can just get a plastic liner with this one. And it also has the white, which works well with the white bathroom. Another basic item that you need for your bathroom are rugs, bathroom rugs. I got this one, which is, I want to say that it's not really white. Not sure if you can see. Let me just zoom up a little bit. So it's not really white, but it does have some white, and it's pretty fluffy. I got two of these. I got a large one and a small one. I prefer to have like smaller rectangular mats in front of the toilet instead of the actual like toilet mats, because I feel like the toilet mats lacks functionality and I would be wasting my money. So I decided to get a smaller one. I love this because it's white, but it also has like some creamish mix in it, and I think it complements well with the shower curtain rod, and it also complements with this nice decorative piece. This is a hand towel. I got two of these, and it still has the same turquoise theme going on for it, with the white mixed with John. Let's call this color John, because honestly I don't remember what color it is. So it has the white mixed with John, and it has the turquoise, and it has like this which is pretty cool. I think it's pretty cute. Like, I think it's super cute. This is kind of like brown, so John is kind of brown. So I feel like it just had this whole vibe thing going for it, and it blends well. And I also got this pretty much decorative piece to put on the countertop, because it still has that turquoise vibe, and it has the owl, which basically matches with this. And I don't even think I got these things from the same Walmart. I went to different Walmarts, FYI. Sometimes you just have to shop around to get the right mix. So in terms of storage space, I opted to get like a shelf placed inside. I got like a gray shelf, and I also got a shower curtain rack. I decided to complement that with some towels, and I decided to add some colors to the towels, which is the yellow and the white, and also add some colors to the rags, so that, you know, it has a little, you know, just try to add color to just jazz up the space so that it doesn't look bland. And I also decided that I was going to add some extra stuff that I had lying around at home. Like, literally, you don't have to go out and buy decorative pieces. You can look for what you have. And I decided that I was going to use some perfumes for that. I'm a perfume person, so I have a lot, a little bit more than I actually need. So I decided to put these in the bathroom as well, to just make it, you know, look a little bit fancy. And got some more decorative pieces here. All right, guys, so this is pretty much the end of my video. I'll be showing you the finished look in just a second. If you haven't checked out my previous content, I will leave links down below. I will also pin it somewhere here. I hope you enjoyed the finished product, and until next time, keep safe. Bye. I also got this, oh, the frig, my god,